guys, it's Lisette. I first want to say thank you to everybody who has watched my videos, commented, given me a thumbs up, or subscribed. You guys are awesome. I'm completely overwhelmed by the response that I've gotten because I've never done any YouTube videos before, but it's a lot of fun. And I hope that my budget-friendly tips are helping people that either have a new machine or are just learning to do crafts with their Cricut or Silhouette machine. I like to do tons of gifts for people, and so I kind of like to share some of the user-friendly, budget-friendly tips and tricks that I do for them. So I thought I should record this because this is really helpful, something that I didn't learn until it was after the fact, and it might help for you during your process if you're doing stuff on the back of shirts. So I'm actually making some shirts for a friend. She's going on her first Disney cruise. She's a blogger. Her name's Lynette Fernandez, and we go to the same church. We've known each other for a long time. Coincidentally, our moms even know each other, which is crazy. But she has a blog called Funtastic Life, and I'm going to show you, she wants her hashtag on the back of the shirts, but sometimes the back of a shirt can have the neckline seam or some seams that don't make it easy to put things on the back of a shirt. So I'm going to show you what I do. So hold on one second. Let me flip the camera around. So that's what the back of this shirt looks like. And so if you see, I always press it anyway, just to get the wrinkles and moisture out of it, just for a few seconds. And so when I lift it up, you're going to see that crease right here from the neckline? That is going to prevent the heat transfer vinyl from going on really smooth. So what I like to do is I like to position the hashtag or whatever I'm going to put on the back here. I'm going to position it where I want it, and then I'm going to show you what else I use that I already talked about in another video, but I'm going to show it to you again. Hang on. Okay, so I have it positioned where I want. Today is a little different because my husband's not doing my videography for me. I'm by myself, which is a miracle because my daughter's at ballet lessons. Anyway, I digress. I like to put this about, 2 to 3 inches below the neckline. I like to account for if a woman's going to wear her hair down or wear a ponytail or something like that. So what I have to help me get around that neckline unevenness is this Shape foam pressing pillow. It's not really a fancy pressing pillow, but it gets the job done because what I do is I put it under my shirt, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I wanted you to see, you can kind of see the edges of the pillow here up front too. This size pillow is the one that I use for anything that goes on the back of a shirt. So you can see that it covers the entire area that I'm going to press. I don't change the pressure on my heat press. So I've always had a really good result not changing the pressure. And so you'll see it's like a really close fit there. So you do have to be careful when you're bringing your heat press around. Again, I use a swing away heat press. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, that's all done. And so you can see this peels away really easily. I always do a hot peel, and you can see it's stuck on there really good. They say that what you want is to make sure that you can see the fibers of the clothes through the vinyl. So you can see all of these letters are nice and evenly pressed, and it's all because I use this pressing pillow. It's not really a fancy pressing pillow, it's just a piece of foam, but I use it to kind of push up the fabric up against the iron. So that is just a little plug for my friend's blog. Funtastic Life. Go check it out. She does tons of blogging on lifestyle, vacations, lots of fun movie premieres and things. And that is how I put letters on the back of a shirt. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it.